My name is Lloyd Darby, and I've been a patient of Dr. Moore for at least 10 years. The most positive thing is that the staff has, they take real good care of you, and they, do a lot of one-on-one things with you, and, they ask you a lot of questions. They interact, from, the medical side to just the everyday side, just to see what you're doing or how you're feeling, what about life, and stuff like that, which is pretty neat. And then also Dr. Moore also is pretty good. And he takes his time, he explains everything to you, he sits down and, if you have some test results, he goes over it with you detail for detail, and he's always trying to find ways to better treat you and make sure that your health is good. The atmosphere is almost like a little family atmosphere, because on some days when I go there, there's a lot of people that I see that I know that goes to the same doctor that I go to, and I was very surprised, but he has a large clientele and a lot of people, like I said, that I've seen either in the office or just talk to in the street and tell them who my doctor is, and then they say they got the same doctor. So he's a very positive guy in the neighborhood, a very young doctor, and he's bringing a lot of new ideas to the medical field. The first thing that ever happened to me, I'm diabetic, and every time I go in and get the test results, if I have blood work done, he would say, I'm the most healthiest diabetic person that he's seen. But then about 3 or 4 years ago, I had a little episode where my sugar got high, and then I went to the office to get checked out and all that, and they were examining me, and then through the examination, they just felt that my heart rate was not beating right. So they called the ambulance, they took me to the heart hospital, and to make sure everything was right, pumping some insulin in me from the doctor's office to the heart hospital to make sure that everything was all right. So they took real good care of me. Yes, I would very much recommend him to another family member or friend or anybody, which I did recommend him to a few of my friends already, because like I said, he's a good doctor, a young doctor, and he takes care of his patients. He's one-on-one with them, and he's always looking for great ideas and stuff to improve their health and everything.